Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and this is how you can easily make YouTube captions. I've done it since 2000, gosh, a long time ago, and this will get it done. So you've got Windows 11 open, and you go to your folders under videos, and there you can see I've got a folder called the week starting November 25th, and I use the syntax of year, month, and day. So then I open that folder, and there I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all of the days of the week set up. Okay. So once you've got that set up, then you're going to record with ScreenPal, and that'll look like this. You open up the image. You can see it right there, the thumbnail. Open it with, I use GIMP, and make the recording. And let's get started. So the Google document that you created to create this episode, you can see the document share link. You go to GuyRCook.com, look for this title, and bazinga, it'll be there. So then you record the episode with ScreenPal, and I've used a default thumbnail for YouTube as the image background, the canvas, if you will. And then once I've got that recorded, I go into ScreenPal and I can edit it, and that'll look like this. Okay, so you open it up, and ScreenPal Edit is going to look like this. You select where you want to save the file by clicking this down arrow. And then you make sure you got it set up for your folder, for your project where you got it. And the file name is what you're giving it. And this one is, file name is part 1, so I could record this. And then you click publish, and bazinga, it goes into the folder that you selected. Convert that resulting MP4 file into an MP3 with Convertio. And the Convertio screen takes the shape of this. So to convert the MP4 file into MP3, use Convertio, look like this, and you choose the file. So then you're going to go to your project folder, right? Pick the file that's an MP4 file, and then you go to this little drop down arrow, select audio, MP3, click convert, and bazinga, it's going to be done pretty darn quick. And then you download the resulting MP3 file into, that's right, the project folder. And it's going to come up blank because you don't have any MP3s yet. Okay, so you click save, and bazinga, that part's done. Okay, this is the Whisper UI. I got it from the Microsoft Store. I think I paid $2.99 for it, and it does a great job. And this is how it goes. You pick the file folder. So this is where you go in, pick the file, and then location. Well, of course, that's the project folder for 1129. And you select that folder. Okay. And then you click on transcribe. And even though I'm not done with the recording, we're going to still roll with that just so you can see how it goes. So you pick the file that you want to transcribe. And in this instance, it's the MP3 that we just saved from Convertio. So select that. And then you click this little red dot down here. And you'll notice that there's what I call dancing ants. And when this is done, okay, bring it in the editor, convert it to an SRT. Notice how it puts little timestamps on there. And you click save. And this is where it's going to save it, right, in the project folder. And so we give it a file name, click save. And bazinga, now we've got an SRT file to add to the upload. So you finished editing, you finished the MP3 file creation, you finished the Whisper UI creation of the SRT file. You're now ready to go to YouTube, and that's where we're at now. I'm on one of my favorite YouTube channels, and I hope it becomes yours. Anyway, you click on the little camera with the plus sign to upload a video. You say upload video, select the file, and of course you're going to go to that project folder and select the file that you created earlier with ScreenPal, and then it's uploading, and bazinga, it's done. Now, probably one of the first things you want to do is copy this link right here. That gives you the Uniform Resource Locator code that you're going to use many places in sharing this content. Okay, so you Control-C, copy that. So then I use the tool from vidIQ and I put the Google document title into the title that's required. Now there's going to be a description that's going to go in here, and that's going to be added later, and that's another video another time. To upload the file from the video, the thumbnail is going to be in, you guessed it, the project folder. It's right there. We click on that, select open, and bazinga, it's in there. Okay. Now we select the playlist, Practical Digital Strategies, the podcast. It's done. We select next. And this is when it says add subtitles. And this is where the magic happens. You know how they always say the magicians don't show you the trick? Well, this is going to be an exception to that rule because I am going to show you. So I click on add, and it says upload file with timing, and I continue. And in the project folder, there's the SRT file, and I select that, and I open it, and bazinga, all of those timings are populated into this. Now this is where I do the magic. See the little play button right there for the video? Well, I click that play button, and then I follow along with the text, and then make edits like this blank audio. That's going to go away. And when I get it all done, I click on done, just like this. And bazinga, it's in there. So why does guy go through all this effort? You might think this is very time consuming. It pays off because the search engines can read the captions that you've added. So there you have it. If there's not coming up in search because you don't have how to easily make YouTube caption edits indexed, well, you can have it on YouTube all day, but if you don't have captions, it's not going to perform as well. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.